Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4, one word substitution. Here are some group of words and you have to put a single name for that group. That is called one word substitution. So let's start. Number 1. Here you can see there are so many one word substitution. You have to read and try to understand them all. After that you will be able to do the exercises. Okay, so let's start. To think that something is true or real, that is called believe. यानी कुछ ऐसा जो आपको real लगे. The action of allowing someone to do something, that is called permission. यानी कोई काम करने की आपको allowing मिले, that is called permission. A circular path for runners, that is called track. यानी runners के लिए circular जो path है, that is called track. In a way that shows someone is not excited, nervous or upset, that is called calmly. A way to a destination, that is called route. यानी कि कहीं पहुंचने का जो way है, that is called route. A seat without a back or arm, that is called stool. More than enough, ample. The color of white and red mixed together, pink. Abduct someone and hold captive. यानी किसी को abduct कर लेना, अपहरण कर लेना, that is called kidnap. A raised platform where actors perform, that is called stage. A model that represents someone, that is called effigy. यानी पुतला. An open vehicle with two wheels pulled by horses, that is called chariot. यानी एक ऐसा व्हीकल जिसपे चार पहिए हों और जो घोड़ों के द्वारा पुल किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड चैरियट यानी कि रथ. अ पर्सन लिविंग नेक्स्ट डोर और वेरी नियर, दैट इज कॉल्ड नेबर. अ स्मॉल बॉडी ऑफ स्टिल वाटर, दैट इज कॉल्ड पॉन्ड. लैकिंग गुड सेंस और जजमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड फुलिश. वन हु स्पीक्स टू मच, chatterbox. Feeling fear, that is called afraid. These all you can see at the page number 16. You have to read from the book. Okay, now see on the next page. Here you can see so many. A building where special objects are stored and exhibited, that is called museum. A tall narrow building, that is called tower. A place where people sit to eat meals that are cooked there, that is called restaurant. A journey or excursion, that is called trip. A country other than one's own, that is called foreign. A person or group which attacks a place, that is called invader यानी कि आक्रमणकारी. Okay, so here up to 25 we had done. Remaining we will do in our next video. Thank you. Now we are starting from 26. One's native country, that is called motherland. यानी जो हमारी नेटिव कंट्री होती है उसे हम कह सकते हैं मदरलैंड. Loves for one's country, that is called patriotism यानी देशभक्ति. A gentle wind, that is called breeze ठंडी हवा. A state of depression, that is called gloom यानी कि दुख या अवसाद. To ask for advice, help, that is called seek. किसी से कोई चीज़ मांगना, that is called seek. In a comfortable way, that is called comfortably. The desire to know about something, curiosity. A place for the confinement of people accused of crime, that is called jail. यानी एक ऐसा प्लेस जहाँ क्राइम करने वाले पीपल्स को कन्फाइनमेंट किया जाता है, कैद किया जाता है. A place with temporary accommodation, that is called camp. A short-handed farming tool, sickle. Long established, that is called traditional, यानी जो बहुत पुराना चलता आ रहा है. A loud cry of anger or fear, that is called scream, यानी चीखना चिल्लाना गुस्से से. A general position toward which a person or things moves. Directions. A person who shows the way to others, guide. The belief and worship of personal God, religion. A feeling of amazement, wonder. Small pieces of paper, etc. Scraps. A powerful effect, impact, shining brightly, gleaming. To say or think that someone did something wrong, blame. To calculate the number of people or things in a group, that is called count. Very hot and bright, that is called blaze. A solemn promise, that is called pledge. Give up something valuable to help another person, that is called sacrifice. Relating to deep feeling and religious belief, that is spiritual. Fashionable and expensive in a way to impress people, that is called swanky. An object for fighting or attacking, that is called weapons. Very unhappy or uncomfortable, that is called miserable. Weapons means hathiyar, an object for fighting or attacking. Okay, so students, remaining we will do in our next video. Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Today we are going to start exercises of chapter number 4, one word substitution. Here are a group of words just before the sentence and you have to put a one word for that. Okay, write one word for the group of word given below. The first letter of the word is given. We saw some people jogging on the dash. T, a part for runner, so it is track. He swooned with delight when he saw the red dash sporty car. Fashionable, expensive in a way to impress people, that is called swanky. If your body becomes dash, who will clean it? Not clean, that means dirty. Many people do not want to listen to dash master. Relating to deep feeling and religious beliefs, that is called spiritual, यानी आध्यात्मिक. My parents together make a wonderful dash, a pair, that is called couple. In India, many festivals are celebrated with great zeal, enthusiasm, it is called zeal. On Dashera, Ram got dash over Ravan, the act of defeating an enemy, that is called victory. Chewing tobacco can make us a dash of cancer. A person who has been attacked due to an action disease, that is called victim. The turtles was a dash, one who speaks too much, that is called chatterbox. We bought ticket to see the dash in Fateh Prakash Palace, a building where special objects are stored and exhibited, that is called museum. So student, you have to do exercise 1 is only in the book in neat and clean handwriting, and you have to learn also from the book. Thank you. Hello students, welcome back. Exercise number 2 at the page number 18. I do believe we shall dash someday, that is called succeed in dealing with a difficulty, that is called overcome, यानी difficulty से बाहर आना. Sit dash to perform yogasan in a way to show that one is not excited, nervous or upset, that is called calmly. A dash of elephant was passing by a group of animals of the same type, that is called herd. We should always throw dash in dustbin. Piece of waste paper, that is called scraps. At sunset, Ram and Lakshman come in a dash. A vehicle with two wheels pulled by horses, that is called chariot. Rohit doesn't go to school and dash here and there to walk without a purpose, that is called wanders. This dash was famous for spoiling things up. This dash genie used to emphasize that you are referring to one individual person, that is called particular. Stars dash in the dark sky shine with the flickering light, that is called twinkle. I will never use tobacco again, a solemn promise, that is called pledge. The villagers shouted on seeing such a dash scene, not common, that is called strange. Okay, here you can see the exercise number 3. A person who show the way to others, guide. A seat without back or arm, stool. A place with temporary accommodation is a camp. A place of confinement where criminals are put, jail. A period of time when there is no violence and people live together, peace. Act of adding to something, extension. Possibility of something bad, danger. A structure made by spider to catch insect, cobweb. A brush with a long handle used for cleaning the floor, broom. Husband and wife, couple. To think carefully and choose what to do, decide. To study again something you have already learned, revise. To say that you're sorry for doing something wrong, apology. A place where we live in. A place where we live in, home. A boy or a girl who study in a school, student. The son of a king, prince. So student, you have to learn and write from the book and write in the book and learn from the book. Okay, in neat and clean handwriting. You have to practice it many times, then you will be able to learn. Okay, thank you.